In this video, I will show you how to simply turn your Gmail app into Google Workspace and enable some of the hidden settings that can make Google Workspace to work on your Gmail app. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app. Click on your profile icon. Click on Manage your Google account. Click on Personal Info. Click on Email. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Click on Manage Email from Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to Google Workspace right here. All you have to do is to turn on this. You can turn on all these settings right here, and you are done. With that, Google Workspace will start functionally on your Android app. And with that, Google Workspace will start function effective on your phone without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.